According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Article 800.133a, communication circuits must not be installed in the same raceway, box, or cable as electric light, power, or Class 1 circuits, except where specifically permitted. Running a phone line directly in the same conduit as the sub-panel feed is not permitted by code. Installing flexible non-metallic conduit, also known as FNMC, inside the polyvinyl chloride, also known as PVC, conduit for the phone line is also not specifically permitted by code. There are several reasons for this separation. Firstly, electrical interference. Electric currents in the power lines can induce noise and interference into the phone line. Secondly, safety. If the power line becomes damaged, it could pose a hazard to the phone line or its users. Thirdly, maintenance. Separating circuits makes it easier to troubleshoot and repair issues without affecting other systems. The proper way to install a phone line near a power line is to bury the phone line in a separate 3/4-inch PVC conduit and maintain a minimum separation of 12 inches between the phone line and power lines. Therefore, the proposed installation methods are not up to code and could result in noise interference, safety hazards, and maintenance issues. It is important to insist on proper separation of communications and electrical circuits to ensure safety and functionality.